In this video I'm going to show you how to restore accidentally deleted apps from the home screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first let me show you how to delete app just from the home screen. Let's say I want to delete Google Maps from the home screen. I hold down on the app icon and hit on remove app. And now there I hit on remove from home screen. Now you see that icon was disappeared, but the app is still installed on the device. And now to restore the icon of that app on the home screen, you have to swipe over to the left until you opens up app library, and there hit on search bar and search for I'll write in maps, and there I can see Google Maps. And now all I have to do is hold down on that icon of that app and move that app to the home screen and then hit done. That's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.